Hello, Twin Force Fusion, and here I'm here to show the condition of the downpipes ultimate performance that I have since installed 2018, so at least 3 years. I installed them quite early, I would say about 5,000, so 45,000 kilometers on them, so over 35,000 miles. You can see they hold up pretty well, not rusted. Obviously, it's good quality stainless steel. The flex are all in working conditions. They're not ripped. And the DI titanium wrap on the top will hold very well. On the bottom, obviously, because it gets caught in the wind, it's a little bit, but it's still holding, so I'm not going to bother with it. Since I'm here, I might as well show you that the rear turbo is installed. And you can see the light here. So the rear is installed, and we'll do the front one this afternoon. I'm in no rush because a snowstorm is on the way, and so this one is installed. That's the rear one. What we're going to install now is the front one. So that's all I have for you today. Quick situation report on this project. It's all full of fluids. They all been changed, and yeah, hopefully report with some good news pretty soon. Bye.